Hi, I'm Alec. This is first tutorial on Song 2 Suite. And about strumming, you can use original strumming, this one. But I recommend an easier way and this strumming. So intro, chords, E minor, G, C, D, and B7, Sol. And verse. And again, E minor, E, G, G, C, C and G, G and B, and pre-chorus. And in the pre-chorus you can use absolutely standard finger picking, this one. And chorus. And chorus. I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black in my bed and tree, and da-da-da, C, C, G, and B, and again, E, G, G, C, C, G, and B, and bridge. And first bridge, E minor, G, C, and G and B, and first time, in the second bridge, E minor, G, C, G and B, and E minor, G, C, D and B. And outro, this is just half of chorus, yes. I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black in my bed and tree. You're too sweet for me, you're too sweet for me. And it's all, So thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.